This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Shannon Allen. Pristine and spacious waterfront condo. This south-facing fourth-floor unit has an abundance of natural light and offers an open floor plan with large family room, dining room, and pass-through kitchen. The primary bedroom has a private balcony, a gorgeous custom bath with walk-in shower, vanity with dual sinks, built-ins, and a walk-in closet. The second bedroom is well appointed with a deep closet and balcony, and the second bath is completely updated with a walk-in shower and ceramic surround. This gorgeous condo includes hardwood flooring, recessed lighting, custom moldings, and is freshly painted with a neural palette. This desirable waterfront building is located in the heart of historic Freemason along the Elizabeth River Trail and overlooks the river and the USS Wisconsin. Building amenities include a 24-hour concierge front desk, indoor saltwater pool, sauna, pool table, and gym. There are 2 parking spaces in the garage and 2 storage units that convey. For more information, review the details below or contact Shannon Allen at 757-647-3126.